Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna tell you guys how to recharge Monzo card, and there are basically two ways to do it. The first one is you can do it into your Monzo account by heading over to the app and then tap on the home icon in the menu bar and then tap on the account you want to add money and then click on add money underneath your card, and then you need to follow the steps like how do you want to add the money, what is the amount, confirmation. And if you're at a pay point, then what you need to do is you need to find a shop which has the pay button logo, obviously, and then you need to tell the shopkeeper that you'd like to add money to your Monzo account and then how much, and then hand over your card and the cash. The swipe he will swipe your card and then return it to you with a receipt. Make sure the receipt has the proper details of how much you wanted to add and if that has been added or not. And this will take around 10 minutes to appear in your account, and there is a €1 or £1 fee. So you might need to wait for 10 minutes for it to be confirmed, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.